Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate social media marketing with Outfy. Very powerful. We'll jump right in it. Social media marketing automated. This is exactly how to do it the right way. And it's no surprise, every single Shopify store needs to focus on social media marketing. It doesn't matter what you're selling, print on demand, drop shipping, custom products, digital products, personalized products. You need a consistent, well thought out social media marketing strategy to win. And a popular strategy for Shopify stores is to fully automate creation, scheduling, and posting of social media content with AI. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. There are some pain points that you might run into. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you the exact app that I use. And the app must be super easy to use, require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be a coder or developer or, some 20-year social media expert. And the kind of most importantly, the app must allow for auto-posting content on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all the important social media networks to make your life as easy as possible. And if you want to do this all with AI, you're going to use Outfy. Incredibly powerful. You see the link directly below this video. I highly recommend them. You're going to see it in action, just how powerful this is when it comes to social media marketing with AI, fully automated. And we can go over the shoulder. You see Outfy social media marketing app over here. And this is an incredibly powerful social media marketing app for Shopify. It's going to allow you to automate social media marketing. It's got an AI video editor. It's got an auto poster. It connects to Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, all the important social networks that you need. And it's all about creating better content with smart AI automation. Outfy has access to everything in your store. It's going to be able to use AI to learn about your store and create great content, engaging content, AI-powered reels, shorts, pins, right? All the important social networks that are going to drive traffic. Of course, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, right? It's all about creating these smart AI-based content and not only creating it, but scheduling it and then posting it across multiple platforms. That's why it's so powerful here. Going to create captions, going to create hashtags. It's going to do all of the social media marketing work that you know is needed to build a big brand. Now it's going to do it all with AI, fully powered for you right inside of this app. Highly recommended. All you need to do, press the install button. This is going to get Outfy installed in your store. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you Outfy in action and exactly how you can use it to build that massive brand fully automated with social media marketing. Just like that, as soon as you click the install button, once this loads into your store, you're going to see shorts pre-made. You're going to see promotions pre-made. You're going to see collages pre-made. You're going to see all of your content. You're going to see hashtags all pre-made. Incredibly powerful. I literally did nothing other than press the install button. See some music over here, right? We see some of our promotions over here, Independence Day, Easter special. These are our products, our exact products in here, shown over here. You literally see everything going in here. They create the promotions automatically. It's so powerful. You see more examples over here, collages, right? Different product collages, different variants for my t-shirts, my hoodies, all the text that goes along with it, literally created all for you. So we'll go over here, we'll click Let's Start Sharing It. What we need to do is now connect our networks. We're going to be able to connect all of our big networks, of course, Facebook for our promotions over there, Instagram, there's no doubt, Twitter, X, YouTube, right, TikTok. We need to be on all of these networks over here. And it's really easy to do. You just click on any of these buttons for the social network, click connect. In this case, it's going to give us the ability to continue with Facebook. We'll click on this and then link our account. So I've linked my social networks over here for this store. You see that I've connected my pages, my accounts. You could even go into your Pinterest boards and select individual sections. You could disconnect as well. What we need to do now, click Start Auto Posting. Literally, if you're thinking that this is too easy, this is exactly why Outfy is so powerful here. We're going to go ahead and pick the plan. Highly recommended going with the ultimate plan, which will load you right into the dashboard over here. And we have our accounts, our networks already connected over here. You see all the different accounts that you want to go ahead and connect. For example, TikTok, Instagram, right? We've connected our pages over here. We're going to go to Create Post. And you're going to see we have SmartQ created by Outfy, automatically created posts over here for us. And you see it's going to use the networks that we have connected. Of course, we have our Facebook page, we have our Pinterest, we have our Instagram, and we can start posting after, let's say 1 day, 2 day, 7 day delay, or we could literally start posting now. We're going to come over here and click Edit, and I'm going to show you exactly what we have here when it comes to SmartQ. And if you click on what is SmartQ, it's going to kind of talk about the benefits and what this is. But this is all about kind of the behind the scenes automatic creation of posts. And this is really a huge benefit because it's going to save you a lot of time. And you could read through more about this, in terms of what SmartQ is going to do for you. But I'm going to show you really right inside here. It's all about kind of the rules of how we're going to be posting and what we're going to be posting. And we could select how many shorts we're going to post per day, how many long videos, how many gifs, how many collages, how many products we want per day per network. And, I want to be product focused and really get my products in front of people. I'm going to bump this up, right? I can go to 2, maybe even get aggressive and go to 3 in terms of these posts per day. I have the days of the week that I want, right? And you can see I'm deselecting some if I want. Of course, we're going to go with all 7 days. You could also select times. Let's say you only want to appear, to be posting during, typical USA hours. You can go and do something like that, or you could change a time zone depending on whatever you want. Of course, you'll be able to save all of your options here. Under the caption options, we're going to, of course, click Use AI to generate captions. Of course, we want to have this on. You can toggle these on or off over here in terms of things like including product price. I'm going to turn that off. We definitely want to have hashtags and emojis on. We can include the product URL for Instagram. This is typically something you don't see the URLs typically on Instagram posts because they're not clickable. We could add custom hashtags as well if we want to add something like our brand name. So I could do something like birds in the air, something like that. We could use product category as hint. We don't need to do that over here. We're going to save our changes after we go into primary. This is really just going to be about the different collections of what products we're going to be going through. If there are some collections that you don't want to be promoted, for example, my auto ads, I could turn those off, just have those other collections on. We have some different settings for each one over here in terms of short settings, in terms of long video settings, GIF, collage, product settings, right? Literally all of these over here. If we want to rotate images to go to the next image while posting. Go over here, network. Again, we see our networks over here, and we have our miscellaneous Larry posting of products. Really just depends on how big your catalog is, and I recommend keeping this on, especially if you have some popular products. So we have all that on, of course, toggled on. We're going to go ahead and save our changes, and we're ready to go. With your posts created, now we'll actually be able to view the schedule of our posts over here. So we're going to see the dates for all these posts and when they're going to go out there, what network they're going to go out there in terms of Instagram, Pinterest, right? Facebook page, and we have our different products being promoted here because that's our goal. We talked about having a lot more products, 3 to 1 actually, in terms of products to collages. You see product collages to gifs, automated gifs of our products. All of this creative being, automated. We didn't create any of this. We didn't upload any of this. You saw all the steps here, just pulling things automatically right inside. So we have our scheduled post. We can even take a look at our planner. I really like this page because it's a visual view, right? We could see, go into the future, look at other months, see exactly what's going on in terms of what we're going to be posting. And then we can start talking about holidays and planning ahead. Really gives you a lot of control over your business, which is crazy because this is all automated, right? So you have full control, full automation, and it's really all working hand in hand. And on any individual post, of course, we can come over here and click edit. And we have full control over the exact post, where it's going to be posted, what's going to be posted on it, what text, what hashtags, who's tagging who, what images are being used, what primary image. You could switch the image over here. You see the preview of it as well. Really, really powerful here because the ability is kind of all contained in one, right? We have the ability now to create posts, to schedule posts, to create content, to create GIFs and collages. It all happens automatically right inside of here. Very easy to use platform. And, again, creating posts individually, even shorts, possible with Outfy. So that was Outfy. As you saw, incredibly powerful, also super easy to use. Jump in right now. All you need to do, again, press the install button. You see the link directly below this video. I highly recommend Outfy, fully automated, AI-powered social media marketing for your Shopify store. You need to get this set up in your store. Again, link directly below this video. I hope this helps you build that massive brand. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Otherwise, I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks.